بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Now let's start the poem again. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the sea. Sail means go from one place to another place. Go from one place to another place. But go, the word go is used for us. We go from one place to another place. But if something is going on water, like boats are going on or rivers, so for that we don't use the word go or walk, because only we can go and walk from one place to another place. The correct word for boats and ships is sail. Boats sail on the river, they don't go on the river, they don't walk on the river, okay? And ships sail on the sea. Ships sail on the sea. To understand this better, I want to show you some pictures. This is a boat. This is a boat. Now you can see the reflection of boat in water. This is a boat. It is small. It is made of wood and it is small. Boats sail in the river. The river is also small. Not really small, but it is smaller than seas. Smaller than a sea. This is a sea. This is a sea, a very big sea, a large portion of water. We can see that it is a sea. River, sea. River, sea. And this is a ship. This is a ship. It is very big. It is very big. It is really very big. It has a lot of rooms. It has engine. It has sailors. Now, sailors are the pilots of ship. Okay. The pilots are of airplane, and the people who are driving the ships are called sailors. It is not a small boat, it is a ship. A ship. Ships sail across the sea. Ship sail across the sea. It cannot sail on the rivers. It can never sail on the rivers. Okay, I told you that when something is going on water, the correct word for this is sailing. But sailing can also be used for something which is moving in the air also. Now clouds are sailing in the sky. Okay, clouds are sailing across the sky. Because I hope that you have noticed the sky, the clouds, that they move from one place to another place. They are moving in the air. They are moving across the sky. They are moving across the sky. Now clouds sail across the sky. Clouds sail across the sky. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Boats sail on the river and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Now in the poem, they are telling us that boats are moving on the rivers and ships are moving on the seas. But the clouds which are moving across the sky look more beautiful. Prettier means more beautiful. Now in maths you have learned that small, smaller, smallest, big, bigger, biggest, strong, stronger, strongest. Okay, they are just comparison words. So here we can say that pretty is beautiful. Pretty means beautiful. Prettier, more beautiful. And prettiest, most beautiful. Okay, pretty, prettier, prettiest. So the poet wants to say that boats and ships are sailing on the rivers and sea, but clouds which are sailing across the sky are more beautiful than these two things. Clouds are prettier than the ships and the boats. The ships and the boats. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtop the trees. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and build a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Okay, there are bridges on the river. There are bridges on the river. दरियाओं पे पुल होते हैं और इतने खूबसूरत होते हैं जितना लोग उनको खूबसूरत बनाना चाहते हैं. As pretty as you please. Please means it delight you to see them. इसको देखकर आपको खुशी होती है. इतने खूबसूरत ब्रिजेस होते हैं कि उनको देखकर आपको बहुत खुशी होती है. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. इतने प्यारे प्यारे पुल होते हैं, इतने खूबसूरत होते हैं कि देख के दिल खुश हो जाता है. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtop the trees. Now they are calling rainbow a bow. Okay. यहाँ पर इन्होंने धनक को बो कहा है कि ये वो बो है, ये वो कमान है, ये वो शेप है जिसको देख के लगता है जैसे it is connecting us to the heaven. Heaven means sky. Heaven means sky. Heaven means sky. And bow is this shape. Okay. Now to understand the shape, I want to show you this. This is rectangle. Rectangle, and this is bow shape. Okay, this is bow. So here the poet say that the bow which is bridging the heaven, like the bow which is connecting the earth to the heaven, the earth to the sky. Now whenever you look at the rainbow, it looks as if it is starting from the earth and it is going up to the sky and coming back. जब भी आप धनक को देखते हो, जब भी देखते हो, आपको लगता है जैसे ज़मीन से स्टार्ट हुई और ऊपर आसमान तक गई और वापस ज़मीन तक आई हुई है. तो ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि वो वाकई ज़मीन तक आई हुई होती है, लेकिन लगता है ऐसा. ठीक है. तो पोइट को लगता है जैसे ये जो धनक है, ये जो रेनबो है, ये ज़मीन को आसमान तक जोड़ने के लिए एक पुल है. ओके. दिस इज़ अ बो which is connecting the earth to the sky. In the beginning of the poem, I told you that there are two meanings of bridge. पहले मैंने आपको बताया कि ब्रिज के दो मीनिंग हैं. एक तो ये पुल, ठीक है, एक तो ये पुल है और दूसरा इसका मीनिंग कनेक्टिंग है. Connecting something. So the bow that bridges heaven. Here this is a name. There are bridges on the river. So it is about this bridge. But the bow that bridges heaven, but the bow, the rainbow that connect us to the heaven and overtops the trees. Now you can see that it is going over the top of the trees. Over the top of the trees. So it is overtopping the trees. It is overtopping the trees. मतलब उसके ऊपर से गुजर के जा रही है. ठीक है. तो लगता है जैसे ये इसके ऊपर इसने साया किया हुआ है. So it is overtopping the trees. and build a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. जो बो है, जो रेनबो है, जिसने ज़मीन को आसमान से मिलाया है, एंड इट ओवर टॉप्स द ट्रीज, और ट्रीज के ऊपर से गुजरती हुई नज़र आती है और इतनी कलरफुल है और इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है. एंड इट बिल्ड्स अ रोड फ्रॉम अर्थ टू स्काई, और ऐसा लगता है जैसे ये एक रोड है, ज़मीन से स्टार्ट हुआ है और आसमान तक जा रहा है. तो इट एंड बिल्ड्स अ रोड फ्रॉम अर्थ टू स्काई इज़ प्रिटियर फार देन दीज. ये जो रेनबो है ये हर चीज़ से खूबसूरत है. प्रिटियर यहाँ मैंने बताया कि ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. प्रिटियर फार देन दीज, हद से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, इन सब से बेतहाशा खूबसूरत है, इनके मुकाबले में बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. सो लेट्स रीड द पोएम वंस अगेन. Boats sail on the river and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Now clouds are more beautiful than ships and boats. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please. इतने प्यारे प्यारे ब्रिजेस हैं, बट जो ब्रिज अल्लाह ने बनाया है, जो रेनबो है, जो ज़मीन को आसमान के साथ कनेक्ट कर रही है और दरख्तों के ऊपर से गुजरती है, तो वो ब्रिज इट बिल्ड अ रोड फ्रॉम अर्थ टू स्काई. और वो जो ब्रिज है, वो जो बो है, वो ऐसा लगता है कि अर्थ टू स्काई, ज़मीन से आसमान तक एक रोड बना रही है. तो वो हद से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. इज़ प्रिटियर फार देन दीज, इज़ प्रिटियर फार देन दीज. Now let's move on to the new words that came across in the story today. So the first word is boats. 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 Second word is sail. 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 Now complete A sound. A. Sail. Sail. Rivers. 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 Now this S is giving you Z sound. Rivers. Rivers. Clouds. Clouds. Again the same Z sound. Clouds. Clouds. Across. 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 Prettier. 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 Bridges. Bridges. Now they are giving you J sound. D and G are giving you J sound. Bridges. 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 Please. Please. This S is giving you that sound again. Please. Please. Heaven. 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 Overtops. 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 Earth. 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 And seas. 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 Now your homework is to practice these words and read the poem again. You have to read the poem. That is your homework. Read the poem again and again for better pronunciation and better reading skills. I hope this is informative and this is interesting poem. It was colorful too, so I hope that you enjoyed reading it and you will enjoy its reading at home too. Wish you best of luck. This was all for today. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.